You couldn't tell already. I love the RIOOOOOOOO movie. I loved when I came out as a kid. I watched it all the time. And then I started thinking, I never see it as a Halloween costume. And I was like, let me make one. And that's exactly what I did. I brought that costume to life from that RIOOOOOOO movie, man. And it looks good. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. The first thing we're gonna make are those wings, those luscious blue wings that you see in the costume. For anyone who's not seen the RIOOOOOOO movie, please go watch it. But this is where I get the inspiration from. This is Linda wearing the costume. And the costume is supposed to resemble Jewel the bird in the movie. And like we're about to do his wings. And like I love everything about this outfit. This is like my favorite outfit of all time. Like, I just love this movie so much. To start off, you're gonna need a wing base like this, and you can either buy it from Amazon like I did, or you can make it out of cardboard yourself, but it's just much easier to have a wing base just like this. You're gonna need some blue regular feathers like this, and then on top of those, we're gonna put ostrich feathers like these. And you're gonna need a hot glue gun for all the hot gluing we're about to do with all these feathers onto the wing base. And watch the RIOOOOOOO movie while we do this. You're gonna need 1 full pack of ostrich feathers and 1 full pack of regular. Alright, I'm going to show you how we layer them down because we're not going to just put the feathers like randomly in place, you know? So we're going to layer like here, here, and here. And we're going to copy that all the way down on all the sides. But see how it's like nice and cascaded? Because you just don't want to place it in random places or it's going to look like messy. You want a nice and like clean look. Alright, so this is what you have when you kind of like start layering it out. It should be nice and like tight and nice and like have a nice feathery look. So when you're done layering down the first layer of blue feathers like this, you're getting your ostrich feathers and you're going to lay them down on top and glue them down. So it's going to have a nice like feathery look effect to your wings. Alright, so I just finished the front part and it looks so good. Like look how like detailed it looks with the feathers and everything, and it's just amazing. Like I love how this looks. Okay, so this is what the back looks like when it's all done, but it looks really good, the wings. But it's what the front looks like. And you don't have to worry about like the patchy spots here because this is going to be like hidden because like it's going to be like right on my back, but these are done. This is literally the scene where I finished my wings at. Like if you have not played this in the car or like have not played the song at all, play it. Now that we're done with the wings, now it's time to the outfit. And I was going to make my own outfit, okay? Like I had it all ready and everything, but I had like some things that came up and I had time crunch and I found this kind of affordable little set online. It's $50, but let me show you. It's what I'm wearing in the picture. But $50? I was like, say less. So this is the outfit right here, and I've loved it when I saw it. I was like, oh my god, I want this so bad, and it was good price too. I paid $32 for it, but it is from AliExpress. I will say that because I know how some people are a little reluctant about AliExpress. I was reluctant to order off there. Like I heard some things about it, AliExpress, and I was like, you know what, not worth it. But I was like, you know what, it's $30. Worst case scenario, I never get it, or I receive it and it looks like crap. So I get it within like 2 weeks when I order it, and when I get the box is all scratched up, marks all over, random duct tape. The box is beaten up. Like it looks awful, the box, and I'm scared to open it. And I open it, and I get this. I was shocked as fuck. Like I was like completely in awe, and I was like, it is so pretty, and like the details on it is like crazy for that amount of money. Like this is like, I'm surprised it was that cheap, and it feels so nice when it's on. Like, so I am living proof that AliExpress is not all that bad. But anyways, if you're doing it by scratch, I'll show you what I would personally do for the blue set. Alright, so this is the blue bra I was gonna buy right here. It's like $6, but then I was gonna get some rhinestones and it's kind of like bedazzled the whole thing. And for the gems part, I wanted to do like a different assortment of different shapes and colors. So I wanted to do silver and blue as my like bedazzled like on the bra. And for the bottom part, you can do some different options. So I was thinking like first like these little booty shorts first. Then I was thinking, you know what, I can do maybe like a panty, or you can honestly like do a skirt, whatever you feel like comfortable with. But then I was gonna get like rhinestone like rose and just kind of like glue them on top. And what's cool about this outfit, you can do anything and everything you want because you can either have it all customized, you do it yourself, or you can just buy it fully stocked and ready. For the shoes, I'm thinking like blue heels and like feathers coming out of them, okay? And I was gonna buy them, but I found a perfect pair online, so I didn't have to like make them because I could have made them with like blue heels and feathers myself, but I found the perfect one online. I got mine for $20, not 15, okay? So that's even like better, but these are the ones that I got, and it's like blue feathers and like they're so pretty, okay? And it's what they look like. They look like this, and they're super pretty, okay? Like, I love them. Like, alright, so this is the outfit when it's all laid out right here. But yeah, I'm gonna go try it on. Oh my god! This is the outfit review right here. Like, look how... Oh my god, bruh. That's crazy. Alright, so I added some diamond earrings right here. Fake, by the way. Shein. But, wings. the bra, and the little pants. And yeah, that's it for the outfit. And we can't forget the shoes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go take some pictures outside, but I'm so shocked how good this looks. Bruh, everything about this outfit came out so good. Like the pictures, everything came out good. Like even the like everything worked out so good. And I'm just so happy like it came together so good. I'm still making more costumes for October, so if you want to see more stuff like this, go and subscribe. But this is the end of the video. Hope you guys remake it. I want to see the remake. I want to see pictures. I want to see everything, okay? Bye.